Hi everyone, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today you're in for a good one because I am going to be showing you guys how to make the perfect appetizer for this Sunday's football game. Let me tell you, we're making buffalo chicken egg rolls. They are to die for. Cheesy on the inside, the outside is nice and crunchy. You can pair them up with blue cheese, ranch dressing. I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking. Before I begin, be sure you hit this video with a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here, and let's dive in. To get started, I have one rotisserie chicken here. This is leftover, but of course you can make it with fresh chicken or chicken breast, chicken thighs if you have some. This is very small. Hopefully we can get a lot of meat out of that. I'm going to cut it into small pieces and we can shred the chicken. All right, we're gonna start with the thigh first. I am using the skin as well because there's a lot of flavor on the skin. Like I said, this is more flavorful than just regular chicken breast. If you were to boil it yourself, that's why I'm using rotisserie chicken. But I'm going to dice them up, something like this, and then place it in this bowl next to me. Okay, roughly. The NFL playoff is here, and this will be the perfect recipe. Super easy to make. There's nothing really to do but mix everything together and fry it, or you can air fry it if you like, if you're looking for a more healthy version of this recipe. So I'm going to continue chopping and dicing the meat. Once I'm done, I'll show you guys what to do next. All right, guys, I have the chicken nice and shredded, as y'all can see. You can cut it finer, smaller if you like, but it doesn't really make a difference. I leave all the skin because that's where the flavor is at. Now, I have a few ingredients here that I'm going to add in to add some more flavor. So we have some ranch dressing. Just pour that in there just like so. Also, I have some onion and garlic powder, ground black pepper, paprika in here that I'm going to pour in. Give that a quick mix just like this. Next, I have some buffalo sauce here that I'm going to pour in. This is about 1/4 cup, I would say. Pour that in there. It's going to give it a nice spicy kick, okay? Going to mix that up just like so. Let me add my cream cheese. This is about 4 ounces of cream cheese going in. I also have some green onions that I'm going to add in. This is going to be so flavorful. Like I said, this recipe is extremely easy. I have some cheese. Yes, you gotta have that cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar cheese. Pour that in, then mix everything together. Make sure your cheese, your cream cheese, is at room temperature. Otherwise, you are going to be fighting with the cream cheese. So allow it to rest so it can be nice and soft, okay? Just mix it up. As you can see, when you don't see any sign of that cream cheese anymore, that means it's nicely mixed. All right, guys, I have the egg roll nice and ready. I'm going to make a egg wash so I can seal the egg roll. So I'm going to crack 1 egg. Pour about 2 tablespoons of water in there. Mix it up with a fork, just like this. There you have it, egg wash. Now I'm going to grab my egg roll wrapper. I'm going to scoop a little bit of that chicken. Going to add a little bit more. I'm trying to go with the same size on all of them. Don't overdo it. because you might not be able to close it. Once you have that just like this, going to fold this side, that side, go like this, and roll just like this. Perfect. Now to seal that end, I'm going to add a little bit of that egg wash. I'm going to close it like this. Perfect. So you're going to place that one down. You're going to add a good amount of that chicken in there. The only thing is, when making egg roll, a lot of people don't seal it or close it well to a point where there's oil inside it. So you have to know how to close it so it's not greasy on the inside. So fold this and fold the other one. You're going to roll it gently. Roll it, because this is very fragile. You can break the egg roll easily. The wrapper. Add a little bit of that egg wash and seal. So I'm going to continue doing this until I'm completely done with all of my egg rolls, and then I'll show you guys how to fry it. I'm all done with my egg rolls. As you guys can see, I am getting ready to fry them, so let's go fry them. I have my oil heating up already, as you can see. It's about 350 right now. I'm going to add in my egg rolls in there. So just carefully place them in. These will fry pretty quick. Try to keep an eye on them. So as you can see, this one is already turning nice and golden brown. I'm going to flip this one over. As you can see, it's nice and golden brown. They are ready to be taken out. Beautiful golden brown. I'm going to place it to this plate here. As you can see, I have a napkin just to catch all of the oil, the grease, so it's not sitting and it's on grease. Place that in there. They look absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to take a nice bite. Nice. I am gonna take these out. They're nice and crispy. They're perfect. You can totally make these smaller if you like to have more servings of these, but you can cut them in half as well, so it's up to you. All right, time to plate these. I am going to cut them straight in the middle. Ooh, it's creamy. Oh, okay. That's what I'm talking about. That looks good. It's creamy on the inside, crunchy, crispy on the outside. It smells so good. I cannot wait to bite it. OMG. Let me tell you, it smells amazing. It looks so good. I'm trying not to taste it. I'm going to garnish with some fresh parsley, or you can use some green onions. It looks so good, okay? Tell me you're not gonna serve this Sunday. I try my best not to taste them off camera, and now I'm ready to dive in. It smells amazing, okay? I have my carrots and celery on the side. I have some ranch dressing on here. You can eat it with some buffalo sauce if you like, but let me tell you, these are creamy. These are creamy and cheesy at the same time, and crunchy. Y'all hear that crunch? Y'all hear this? Y'all can hear this? Yeah. Yeah, you can hear it. So let's give it a try. Should I try it? Let me try it without the sauce first. Cheers. These are wow. I'm just like, what? These are so good. Let me tell you something. If you make this Sunday and your guests don't come and ask you what you put in these, I don't know, because these are fire. 10 out of 10, would recommend. Hopefully you make it soon. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Are you going to try it? Now I'm trying to explore more. I think I'm going to make these with shrimp. I think they're going to be fire, but let me know what you think down below about this recipe. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up for me, guys. Please, please, please subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys. I can't believe how good these are. They're crunchy too.